Okay, part 3 of the ABC murders. Here we go. We're in Poirot's apartment. Looks pretty nice. I think I'm meant to be going over to the door to look at...
Some cool hair.
Okay. I think I'm meant to be going and looking at the mail that just came in, or seeing what the postman's up to, but I'm going to see if I can have a little snoop around here.
It is not the right time.
No, okay. I think it's probably going to try and force me in to go into the door. Oh, wait. What's the Daily Daily Flicker.
Daily Flicker, June the 22nd, 1935. Battle over control of bank system. What will the government do for money? Andover, murder of a tobacconist.
Okay. Oh, wow, an achievement for reading the newspaper. Nice. Anything interesting over here? No books. Ah, we've got a copy of the ABC over here. Let's go here. Hastings Iron? I don't know. I've already seen one of these in the shop, and it's at the same page.
Andover, Hampshire, population 31,200 inhabitants.
Great. Good to know. Anything else? Big fucking gator there. That's what you want. Can I look at him? Is he hiding something? I keep forgetting his name. Hastings or something? Yeah.
Hastings is going bald.
Hey, fucking bald. Hey.
You're not going to get the post?
Yes, yes, of course.
Can you not get up and do it yourself? Fine, I'll grab the fucking post.
Dear Mr. Poirot, well, what do you think? I believe that I won this round. The Andover affair went like clockwork, don't you feel? But the fun has only just started. I would like to draw your attention to Bexhill-on-Sea on the 25th of this month. We're having a crazy time. Best wishes, ABC.
Okay, the capital I's are in bold on that. I wonder if that means anything.
The next crime will be in Bexhill. We must warn Jap to Scotland Yard.
Did the letter indicate anything that might help the police?
To be honest, I think we can already guess something about the next victim. But I need to think about it a little more.
Okay. So, what have I got here? Oh, that's just about France Asher. Okay, compare the new letter with the first one. Do I need to do that at the desk? Yes, I do. Okay. Thinking. Thinking is key.
Let us examine this more closely.
Yeah, all the capital I's are in bold. Yeah.
Certain characters in the two letters may have similar defects.
Oh, they're duplicated. That's what it is.
Yes, this I is weird.
Yeah, and so is this one.
Yes, this I is weird.
Oh, right. So I've highlighted that I.
Let us compare this with the other letter.
And then that one.
Yes, the I characters in the two letters do indeed have the same defects. I have to find some other similar defects to confirm my theory.
Okay. W. Yeah, the W's are sort of faint.
The W is not printed properly.
Yeah.
Right. Let us compare this with the other letter.
I need a W here. Went. Here we go.
Of course, the W characters in the two letters do indeed have the same defects. I have to find some other similar defects to confirm my theory.
Okay, is this like a particular defect with a certain type of typewriter or something? That capital A is a bit squint. Is there a capital A here? Yes, there is.
Yes, the A appears to be quite unusual.
Mm-hmm.
Right. Let us
So we've got W-A-I so far.
That's right. The A characters in the two letters do indeed have the same defects.
Yeah.
My theory was right. These two letters were written with the same typewriter.
Yeah, I could have fucking told you that.
Both letters were written on the same typewriter and show the same characteristics.
You surprise me, Poirot. You usually ignore material proof.
But there is nothing usual about this case, Hastings. Nothing must be overlooked. Let us now try and get our brain cells to work.
Okay, so do we need to figure out the kind of typewriter or something? So, right. Letter announcing the Bexhill crime. Oh, shit. I didn't mean to do that. No. Right, hang on. Letter announcing the Bexhill's crime. Theft is not the motive. First victim was called Asha. Aha! Aha! The A's were funny in it. Lived in a squalid neighborhood. Oh, wait, no. Yeah. A for A, so the next one's gonna be like a W or an I? So this one's gonna be a B.
So, Poirot, have you found something?
Oui, I believe so. But I am afraid it is not enough to stop the murderer. Let us go and see Chief Inspector Japp. I will explain there.
So we need somebody whose name begins with B in Bexhill or wherever it is. Okay. Timeline, yeah, I know about that. That's fine. Can I speak to any of these people? He's just going to tell me to get in the car, isn't he?
It may be time to go to...
Yeah.
To Scotland Yard, please.
Okay, I wonder if it's got anything to do... So, is it going to be to do with another shop or something, if it was a tobacconist before? I suppose I'll just go in. Right. Guns. Anything else I can do here apart from speak to him? Yeah, let's have a look at this cabinet here.
Japp has invested a great deal in his career.
Yeah, medals. Certificate of merit. And like a hunting trophy or shooting trophy, yeah.
Greatly respected by his peers.
Okay, let's see what he's on. Oh, can I look at him first? Is he being really casual again, or? Yeah, I'm just gonna stand behind you and look at you if you don't mind. Yeah.
Japp appears to be snowed under.
Okay, he's trying to piece together something. Piles of files, nice rhyme, sick one, cup of tea. Oh, it's cold. So he's very busy.
Japp appears to already be overloaded with work. My news is not going to improve matters.
I'm surprised we didn't get another shot at him going bald as
Bonjour,
well.
Chief Inspector. I am afraid we have some bad news. I have just received another letter signed ABC. The next crime will be on the 25th in Bexhill-on-Sea.
Are you completely sure it's from the same person?
I have compared the two letters. There is no doubt about it.
I suppose you think he's going to carry out his threats.
I fear so.
Good God, Poirot. Bexhill is very busy at this time of year, and we have no idea who the next victim will be.
The fuck could there possibly be going on in Beck? I've never even heard of it. The killer attacks old ladies who run a shop. Doubt it. The next victim's name will start with a B. I think that's correct. The murder is unpredictable. Yeah, I'm just going to start with a B.
I suspect that the name of the second victim will start with B.
What on earth makes you think such a thing?
I thought about it when I saw the name Asher clearly written over the shop door of the unfortunate woman who was murdered in Andover last month. When I received a letter mentioning Bexhill, I deduced that the victim, like the town, might have been chosen by alphabetical order.
So it's an alphabet fiend. I'm going to have a list drawn up of all the people whose name starts with B. I hope there aren't too many of them.
Oh yeah, no, I'm sure there won't be like
fucking
fucking hundreds or thousands, mate. B's are a fairly uncommon letter of the alphabet, innit?
Thank you for coming, my friends. Poirot?
Chief Inspector Japp.
What a very delicate stance.
Indeed, we have just found the body.
Just realised I stand like that sometimes.
An ABC was placed on the body.
We'll be there as soon as possible.
Oh, okay, so it's on the coast. It might be quite busy then, I'll give you that. It looks like it's not far from Brighton. Well, it looks nice enough. Ginger Cat Restaurant.
Bexhill is a delightful town. It would be nice to come back and visit.
That sounded very convincing.
Walking at the beach damages my shoes, and it hurts my knee.
So the years have not spared you, my friend. It's the same for all of us.
That is exactly what I said to myself when I saw you back from your travels.
Poirot!
Go on, slam him for going bald.
I can see Japp waiting for us. And from his face, I would say that things are not looking good.
New question available. How was the victim killed? I'm going to guess we've got nothing on that yet because we've not actually seen anything. Yep, correct. Right, where's the inspector? Here he is. You know, you just double click and go fast. Just double click and make you go faster. Slightly.
How do you do, gentlemen?
Chief Inspector?
I fear your admirer has struck again, Poirot. We haven't yet identified the victim, but it's a young woman, 20 to 25 years old. Death occurred last night between 11:30 and 1 o'clock, and we found an ABC guide on the body.
Okay.
Is she pretty?
Come on, Poirot, that's rather out of place. It has no bearing on the murder.
Are you certain? For women, it is often the most important thing. It often decides their destiny.
The body hasn't been moved. You can see for yourself.
Has the press been informed?
Not yet, but I'm planning to. I haven't yet informed them
I
about
mean, you would
the
have thought
presence of the
police
ABC
cordon or
guide
whatever,
in
the
Andover.
press would already be here.
Nobody has reported a young woman missing?
Not for the moment.
No witnesses, I imagine.
Indeed. We've asked everybody who may have met a young woman fitting her description last night to come and see us, but I have little hope of gaining anything from it.
It's early days, Chief Inspector, and the news may not have spread around the town yet.
I hope you're right, Hastings.
Okay. Let's go and have a look. What are you saying? So, looks like she's been strangled with this rope.
Left by a rope or a braided cloth.
Oh, this would be a
braided silk
rope.
belt.
Oh, silk
May have
belt.
belonged
Okay.
to the victim.
Did he say it was braided?
Braided.
Yeah, okay. The key on her
This
wrist.
key is too small to be one for a house. Without a doubt, it is for a padlock.
Okay. Another copy of ABC. No doubt this one will be open to the letter B for Bexhill. Yep.
The guide is open at the page for the Bexhill train times.
So does the guy work for the train
The
company or
young
something?
woman wasn't wearing shoes or a coat, and was not carrying a bag. That's strange. Either the murderer
Hmm.
stole her belongings, or she put them somewhere safe. Maybe so that she could bath.
Okay, so she was hidden her bag
She was a
somewhere.
great beauty. Strange that chap didn't notice it.
Bit creepy, but okay.
Apart from the marks on her neck, there are no signs of the struggle. She didn't manage to hit her assailant.
So she probably didn't
Let's now try and get our
know
brain cells
somebody
to
was
work.
there. Or didn't realize she was being attacked. So, marks on her neck. Victim was pretty. Beck's braided silk belt. Victim none of her belongings, and she didn't struggle.
The poor child must have been strangled with his braided belt. Unfortunately, in view of the fabric, it is unlikely that we will find any prints. Let us
Okay.
now try and get our brain cells to work.
Okay, I have to do another deduction here. So, what are the common points between the Andover murder and the one in Bexhill? Well, they were both surprised. Press does not know that the ABC guide was found in Andover. I mean, must be those two. Yeah. So, no. The press does not know that the ABC guide was found in Andover. The victim had marks on her neck, back of the head. Right, so it must be that the press don't know. Yeah, okay.
The medical officer should confirm that the victim was strangled with her own belt.
That's what I thought. She shows the usual signs of strangulation.
With a little luck, we'll find prints this time.
You are too optimistic, Hastings.
Doubt it.
Our killer is far too meticulous for that.
Right, so we need to identify the victim now. Fuck, how am I gonna do that? She doesn't have anything on her, does she? No, she hid her. Ah! Her belongings will be in a beach hut. Yeah, get out of here. It's for a padlock. These are padlocks.
This
Which.
hut is locked.
Yeah, okay.
The key does not fit.
No. Okay, what about 8?
This hut is...
I need to remember not to just click on the door.
The key doesn't...
Oh, am I gonna have to go through every single one of these?
The key doesn't...
No. It's gonna be none of them, isn't it? Oh. Come on. Excuse me.
This hut...
Yeah, this hut's locked. Okay. Wait, why can I not use the key on... Oh. Ah, okay. There's a screw missing there. Ah, it should be number 6, and that is 715. Write that down. 715. Oh, right. It's literally, it's just going to be this, isn't it? Okay, right.
Dual locking pad...
Yeah, okay. 7 1 5. Then do that. Hopefully she's got like a bag or something in here. Oh, no, need to lift that up first. Because immersion. There's her bag. And shoes.
Definitely was here that the victim left her.
Yep, shoes are important. What about... what's this? Betty's first day at work. Mum is very proud of you. Elizabeth... Bernard? Bernard? Balnard? Ah, I can't fucking read that. Okay. So she works at the Ginger Cat. Oh, I've not looked at the back of it. I should probably look at the back of it, shouldn't I? Can I look at the back of it? Yeah. Oh, nothing. Wait, this is green. Oh, it's just the lighting.
First day at work. Mom is very proud of you. Elizabeth Barnard, 7 August 1931. So, the young lady did have a name starting with B, and she worked as a Ginger Cat, an establishment that must be slightly further along the beach.
Yep, so we'll question some co-workers at some point.
Yet again, we can dismiss theft as the motive for the murder. Here is the watch she must have removed to prevent it from getting wet. A top-brand lipstick. She liked to take care of her appearance.
Yeah, still a bit creepy there.
Photo of the victim with some company. It could be useful to me.
That also sounded a bit dodge.
Jap has gone to the police. The victim has been identified and her family had reported her disappearance. She was called?
Elizabeth Barnard, mainly Betty.
Barnard, okay.
She worked as a Ginger Cat at the cafe slightly further along the beach.
But Poirot, how on earth?
Never mind. Do you have her address?
Yes, she lived with her parents on the street leading to the beach, number 22. Shall we go?
You are far too impatient, Hastings. Let the poor people take in the news first. Let us go and visit the cafe where Betty worked.
I have no intention of playing Poirot as a sensitive person, as one of my previous videos, I'm sure, proved. Oh, good God, what quicker? Jesus fucking wept! Oh, is there going to be something down? No, there's rocks in the way. Okay. Right. Ginger Cat. Anything over here? Newsstand.
These shops.
Okay, don't need to actually look at it. Right, who have we got in here?
I'll be with you in a minute, gentlemen.
What up? I want one of everything you've got behind there in doubles. I'm going to come and stare at you first.
Something tells me that she's the owner of the Ginger Cat.
Well, I'm going to guess this is important. Similar pedo glasses to the man that we saw earlier on. Belt, maybe? No? No? Okay, the till.
This woman must be the owner of the Ginger Cat. It looks like something is bothering her.
She can't remember how to open her own bloody till.
How can I help you?
A hot chocolate and a tea for my friend, please.
I'll bring it straight away.
But why would you have a hot chocolate when you've got all this here? God, fucking fuck.
What a pity. I don't have any change to make it work.
Oh, I'm sure you've got some banging tunes on there. I heard 1930s mumble rap was mad.
The time range during which Betty was working on her own.
Okay. Let's have a look at these. Are these...
These are the different waiting staff's bills. Which ones were written by Betty?
Okay. Time to do some detecting. Oh. Oh, am I supposed to know her handwriting? Shit. Let's have a look. Has she written anything on the back of this? No. Fuck. Right. Okay. Table 2, hour 5, brownies, tea,
I
1
should
chocolate.
consult the
Oh. Wait. How's that gonna help? Right, okay. Betty. Okay. Can I turn the pages or is this just... No, okay, right. 11 AM. Okay, so I'll write this down. 11 AM to 7:30 PM. Right. Okay, so I'm looking for anything between 11... Wait, no, who else is working at that time? Anything between 5 PM and 7:30 must have been her. Yeah, so 5 to 7:30. $7.20, it was this one.
I should consult the
It fucking... What? It has to be her. On Whiskey White House. Oh wait, do I actually need to click on it before it'll allow me to...
Where is Betty?
Yeah, she's here.
Betty worked from 11 AM to 7:30 PM. Would she have been alone at any time during her service?
Already worked it out, Chief, between
Betty
5 and
worked from
7:30.
11 AM. No, this person is not the last one to have worked.
Okay, Millie.
Interesting. Betty was alone between 5 PM.
Yeah, I already figured that out. Already ahead of you on that one, Chief. It's this one. 7:20 PM.
Most probably a single man, a whiskey lover, maybe the murderer. This bill may have been written by Betty. There is probably another one.
Okay. So we've got that. Hour, it's 5 PM, 12, 6:30 PM, that would fit, and it's the same handwriting.
Most probably a family.
Mm-hmm.
Betty served a family and a man on his own, a whiskey drinker, maybe the murderer. This information will help me to progress.
What? Gentlemen, what are you doing?
Oh dear.
Searching for clues, mademoiselle. My name is Hercule Poirot. I am a detective, and this is Captain Hastings. Does Betty Barnard work here?
That is correct. She should have been here a while ago. Punctuality is the first rule of politeness.
She's fucking dead.
I fear that Miss Barnard will not be coming today.
Or again.
She has just been found, dead, on the beach a few hundred meters from the cafe.
How awful. Poor young thing. What happened?
You
She
strangled
appears
her.
to have been murdered.
This is most distressing. How this will affect my business, I shudder to think.
Oh, you're one of them. Oh, wonderful. Oh, wait, yeah, no, I forgot. I can be a dick as well.
Do not be so sure. Miss Barnard's tragic death may be a good advertisement for you.
It makes one despair of human nature. Poor young girl. She was a hard-working and pleasant young woman. I didn't know her that well. She'd only been here for 2 summers. I know that she had a young man. He used to call for her sometimes.
Alright, so there's a shagger, okay. Might have attacked her, ask if the man in the photo is her gentleman friend. Let's
This
find
photo
out
was
that.
found. Is this him?
Yes, that's him all right. But I haven't seen him for some time.
Doesn't sound like she liked him. Ask if the relationship was going well. Say that young people no longer have morals. Fine, I'll go
Do
with
you
this.
think there may have been some problems between them?
I'm not on those sort of terms with my staff. Now, please excuse me, I have work to do.
Get fucking annoyed at me.
The customer who ordered the whiskey might provide us more information. He may have been the last one to see Betty alive.
It is an interesting idea, Hastings. Maybe he is a regular guest. What do you think, mademoiselle?
Oh no, she's busy.
I
She doesn't have
don't
time to
think so.
talk to us.
Our regular guests tend to order tea and cakes. At this time of the year, there are a lot of tourists about you never see again.
That's what I thought. Time to visit Betty's home.
Okay, go to Betty's house. Well, before we go there, I'm going to end this part. So once again, thanks for watching. Don't forget to smash subscribe, and I will see you next time.